Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can upload your first video in your YouTube channel. So, YouTube has its ways where you can upload videos, create your own channel. So, without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So, we need to go head over into our web browser, click on it, and then simply search for youtube.com. YouTube.com, hit enter. Now once you're in YouTube, you will find your profile icon at the right pane here. So I am in a how to fix guides. That's why it's in the initial letter H. Now you could have this on your right pane. You just need to simply sign in your YouTube with your Google account or with your Gmail. So once you have signed in into your YouTube with your Gmail, you will have this profile icon at the right pane. Now once you find that, simply click on that. And here in the list of options, you will find my channel. Again, here in the list of options, you'll find my channel if you don't have a channel yet. But in my case, I have already a channel, so it states right here, view your channel. But if you don't have a channel yet, then just simply click on my channel, and then you have to name your channel to the name that you desire or any other name for business purposes or for any purposes. You could have your name in any manner that you want. Then you have to click on view your channel or my channel, and here you'll find this window. You'll find your channel name, and here you'll find this button, the plus sign symbol, which is to create. Now click on that, and you have three options here: to upload video, to go live, to create post. You can also create post from here. You can also, now let me scroll down, publish post from here. You also have scheduled uploads. So here we have to click on this create button, click on upload video. And this video, like this window will appear. Drag and drop video files to upload. Your videos will be private until you publish them. Now click on select files. So here let me select my file. Let's say for example, this one. And you just need to wait for that to be downloaded. And here you have the title. So you just need to simply type your title. You also have here the description. You want to add some description, like if you are creating videos about a how to cook a chicken curry or how to cook spaghetti. So you can simply add description from here, like some of the recipes that would you like to recommend to your viewers. So you can simply add description from here. And here you will have this also the video link. You have the file name. And you have here this audience. You can also add some age restriction from here. Now, once this is done uploading, so currently this is uploading. This will really take minutes, especially with the duration of your videos. Depending on the duration of your videos, that will take a minute. So you just need to wait for that until this is done. Then you can simply upload, or the video will be uploaded into your YouTube channel. Currently, this is uploading video, but once this is done, your video will be uploaded to your YouTube channel. So that's it. That's how you can easily upload your first video into your YouTube channel. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.